Some people are like, I hate crystal carving, such a waste of good crystals. Well, guess what? Polly from California just spent $300 on 7 crystal carving. First of all, she got a large Labradorite nine-tailed fox. First, I show you the back, and then I show you the front. There are flashes everywhere. She also got a moss agate man body. This is back, this is front. Oh, let me cover this part. The third carving is a black obsidian lady body. The fourth carving, large triple scalp. From top to bottom is no speak, no hear, and no see. Next one is obsidian scalp butterfly. She chose a salvation obsidian. Let's check the silver flash of this one. This is